Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Boxford, or near North Andover, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lynn, Lawrence, Haverhill, Peabody, Methuen, Salem, Beverly, Andover, Dracut, Tewksbury, Gloucester, North Andover, Danvers, Wilmington, Marblehead, North Reading, Swampscott, Ipswich, Linfield, and Middleton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts, Essex, and Middlesex. This is Noah.